I'm going to show you how to turn this and that into slug defences. So this is going to be a bear trap and this is going to be a copper ring defence. So get your plastic bottle. These ridge ones are better. So I've already got a marker where you can cut it. You want to keep the top as well because that's going to keep the rain away. So cut little arches all around. And that's it. So that fits on there. It's compactable as well, there you go, you just carry it around like that. And then bury that in the ground, that goes on top. Job done. So the next is making a copper ring defence out of a yoghurt pot like that. So put it straight down. When you're using copper rings, it's always best to have a ridge, not a smooth surface for the slugs. So the top of a pot like that, could be a plant pot, could be a yoghurt pot, it's perfect because it's got this ridge and it's going to really slow the slug down. Use all of the pot. You can always make ridges like this. One copper ring ready for the plant. And that's one. So that's 4 copper rings made from 1 yoghurt pot and a bear trap. Let's go protect some plants. So here's one I made earlier. See, it's so simple. Let's fit it from here. It's quite nice actually. So make sure that this lip is tight with the surface of the soil so the slugs can get in easily. So here's the copper ring, it's going around here. And as you can see, it raises the leaves off the ground as well, which is handy. What I do is I use some sheep's wool to go inside the ring as well for added protection. Job done.